She's meant to be just about a dead glass off all this week. So we've picked today and have a look at it. It's blowing pretty hard, but wasn't too bad a trip out here, but since we got out here, she's definitely picked up a bit. So anyway, Viz is looking not too bad. Oh, maybe 6-7 metres. So just pulled up on a mark in 5, just suit it up, get ourselves organised, jump in, and hopefully get a tasty treat in the boat pretty soon. Let's go. How good is that? Oh, alright, first fish. How bloody good is that? Dropped a big trout at the back of the boat. Spear didn't go all the way through. I was bringing him back to the boat. Thought pull the spear out, hand him the gills, one kick, and he was away. I took it off the spear. I don't know. So stupid, but bit of redemption. Look at that beast.
Beauty.
Absolutely beautiful bone. Colours and that. Cool. So happy with that one. Let's get back and get that troutie. Yeah, here we go. Another tasty one. Not the same. Wow. There we go. Get that off. Not as big as that first one I got. I still cannot believe I let that go. Anyway, about ready to give up on this spot. There's 4 of them down there. Beautiful fish. Gonna taste absolutely amazing. Yeah, good day. Good day so far. Alright, gonna set ourselves up for a drift. Alright, that's not good, is it? Anyway, we're gonna set ourselves up for a drift for a squid and have a cook up at the same time. Alright. Yeah, so like always, nothing overly fancy here. Fresh fillet, straight in the pan, and yeah, got some wraps there. Get them out. I think I've got a bit of rabbit food, a bit of mayo. Be into it.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
What was that, mate?
I'm hungry.
Yeah, that's someone's hungry.
We're up already.
Can't have that, can we?
A lot of lettuce.
What have we got going on here? With some lettuce and some cheese.
And some jalapenos.
Oh, yeah. Jalapeno.
Oh, I have jalapenos on nearly everything.
They taste so good. Hey. Alright, wait for our fish to cook. Tasty wraps for lunch.
Smells yummy.
It smells good. Look at that.
Yummy. Straight out of the ocean. Can't get any fresher.
No fresher, mate. No fresher than that. Always so tasty. Right.
There you go, buddy.
How's it? Oh, that's for me.
That's for you.
Oh, mate.
Chef has to eat first.
Gosh, look at that. Eh? So good. Fresh is fresh.
Thank you.
Oh, it's alright, mate.
Yeah, this is how all date days should be, hey? Don't you reckon?
Yeah.
Stay on the water. Can't get better than this. Beer like this. And some yummy lunch straight out of the ocean. Let's get into it.
Magic. So fresh, so good. There you go, one fillet of trout gone. So nice. Beautiful days on the ocean, guys.
Get enough of them.
No, we'll see if we can hopefully get a couple of squid to take home as well. Even if we don't.
Day well spent.
Oh, it is.
There's always tomorrow. Or the next day or the next day.
Well, that's right. That's it for this little adventure today. We're going to send it home and we'll catch you all on the next one. Hope you enjoyed. See you.
See ya.
Bye.